Hello everyone, it's SasaWorks. Today I'm gonna show you how to put a shutdown timer in your computer. So, for example, let's say you want to sleep, for example, and you don't want to keep your laptop on. For example, you have a download to finish, so you want to keep it downloading and sleep, or you want to probably to keep your phone charging at your laptop, but not for the entire night. So you have basically a good solution to do is to put a shutdown timer. So it's basically a shutdown that will happen after the time is your choice, to be honest. You can set it to 1 hour, 2 hour, half an hour, anything you want. So there are two ways. You can first go to terminal. I call this terminal, I was using Linux recently. Command prompt, run it as administrator. Yes, and type this shutdown.exe s-t, call it dash or anything you want. After that, you select the amount of seconds before the laptop shutdowns. For example, 1 hour is 3060 seconds. So yeah, as simple as that. So if I press enter, here as you can see, you're about to be signed out. Windows will be shut down in 60 minutes. See? So after 60 minutes, my laptop will basically shut down. You can also do this if let's say you want to do it too many times, like not every time you have to open command and type it. So go here, press new, shortcuts, and type that here, shutdown.exe -s or -s-t. So as simple as this. Next, name, give it a name. It's called shutdown in 1 hour. Finish it. Let's give it a cool icon. Properties, change icon. Here, choose this one. Why not? Anything, choose anything you want. You can also browse to add an extra icon or anything. So here you go, apply. Now I have a shutdown button over here, which will do the same thing. I already triggered that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you later in another video. Goodbye.